Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I want to show you these two embroidery kits that I purchased from Missouri Star Quilt Company. Today I want to share with you something that I bought from Missouri Star Quilt Company. It was kind of an impulse buy, so let's see what I got. Well, first off, I've got two fancy zippers. These are 14-inch, and I believe I bought them so that I could get it up to the free shipping. That's important. Oh, there's another one. Must have buy three. Okay. Okay. This is Framed Squares 2 Specialty Project Fabric Kit in white. I got this free by buying the embroidery kit that I'll show you next. So I really have no idea what this is. I guess I bought a few more zippers to get to the amount. And I've got a Halloween flat chuck and a sock flat chuck, which is over. Okay, this is an embroidery kit, which I have no idea why I bought it, because I'm really not big on embroidery. But, oh, that is so pretty. And I guess that's the reason I bought it. Look at that. And then look at that. That's what's inside. This is 25 different pre-printed Christmas peel and stick wash away embroidery sheets. It also has 2 needles, a needle minder, a needle threader, scissors, 7-inch beechwood embroidery hoop, and 10 balls of 10-ounce pearl cotton embroidery floss, and instruction cards. And also 25 printable unique Christmas designs in 3 sizes. Go to your Missouri Star account to access your downloads. Let's open it and see what it is. So I've got a pattern book with 5 different projects and with 2 and 3 color variations. I don't know. I'll have to read through that and see what that is. A hoop for embroidery. And there is your notions. Oh, I want to be careful how I open that. Oh, there. Open it. There you go. Oh, my needle. Oh, there they are. Don't want to lose those. Nice size. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, there. There. Yeah. So that's everything you need to embroider. Oh, and then look at that. That is cute. And this is, it's the instruction cards. So it has you getting started and the different stitches. I do have a book on stitches, but these are pretty cool. Oh, and then you've got all like that. And then you get down to a design. Isn't that cute? There's all kinds of those. Look at that with the bells. Huh. So that's the instruction cards. Oh, and this is peel and stick wash away sheets. Which is like a Christmas basket. Oh, that neat. It's like it's on an interfacing. So then you would just iron this peel and stitch wash away sheet. Peel it off. It's got a sticker on the back. And I'll bet you to put on these. Put them on and then stitch it. And then it's wash away sheets. And it's of all the designs. Oh, these are pretty. I don't know if you can see them. Sorry. All of the designs that are in the instruction book. Those are cool. Back together so I don't lose it. I guess I should have showed you what it looked like on the inside. I guess I didn't do that. Isn't that cute? So then here you have all of your balls of the pearl cotton. 10 colors. Isn't that pretty? So then I can put my instruction cards back in here. Put the other stuff in there. I don't know what that was for. So I can keep everything right in here. That one in there. Yep. Oh, there. Yeah. Put the hoop in. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Okay. Oh. Oh, black and white. Look at that. Look at that. And I got this free that day if you bought the kit. Otherwise, they sell it on the website. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's what they're saying, the 2 or 3. Here's my black. I got green. And then I got the white. And they're showing like that pillow there that uses all 3 colors. So that's what they meant by 2 and 3 color projects. See how they lay them out. So that is pretty neat. This is the Enchanted Christmas Keepsake Embroidery Kit. And I just showed you that from when I bought it. I forgot what I had paid for it. So I believe I paid the regular price on this is $54.95. And that's what I paid for it when I purchased it. And then I received this free specialty project fabric kit because of buying that. And this had a value of $79.95. And what it is enough fabric to make 5 different projects of embroidery. So I just thought I'd show that to you again because yesterday I decided to buy this. This is the Ingrid's Wildflower Embroidery Kit. Still not sure when I'm ever going to make any of these. I just think they're so beautiful, and the tins are beautiful. And when I bought this, I got it on sale for $28.95, which I don't think it's on sale anymore right now, but it is so pretty. So let's open this one up. And first off, you have the pattern. Oh, and I remember, I believe Jenny did hers on denim when she made this quilt. So it is beautiful. And you received a hoop. Always gotta have a hoop. And then once again, there's a little kit that has the scissors. Open this without breaking it. I kind of doubt. Oh, what the heck. You can see it. Oh, it's got beautiful. And here is what is in here. It's got the scissors, needles, and this, I believe, is a needle holder. I think it's magnetic. I don't know. I haven't used one of those before. So, all kinds of little notions. So that's neat. And of course, here is your little book that shows you all of the, oh, here, showing you how to use that. That little thing for threading your needle. So it's got all the stitches, pretty much like the Christmas book, but it's showing for all the patterns in here. Oh, I like that one. That one, really pretty. And once again, you get these. Yeah, how to open it. Oh, and here, it's this one right here. There's that. And so I believe you press this onto your fabric, and it's water soluble and will come off. So those are beautiful. And here are all the colors of the threads. And let's see, they're different than what is in the Christmas. That'd be pretty cool. Oh, yes, different colors. Take a look at that. Christmas and the Ingrid embroidery. So I am going to have lots of floss. I really do need to just sit down, relax, and do some embroidery. Do you like to do embroidery? I hope you enjoyed seeing this, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like it. Thank you.